how many people are dying not of COVID-19 but indirectly because of the effects of the pandemic. This yellow line in this chart shows you the average number of Australians that died each week over the past 5 years. This red line is this year. You can see there was a small lift in deaths during the March and April period, the first wave of the pandemic. But in May, a drop back. That's largely because there's less influenza and respiratory disease around at the moment. Overall, there have been nearly 1,700 more deaths in Australia in the first 5 months of the year than you might ordinarily expect to see. And we haven't yet seen any data for the second wave. This is a pattern that has been replicated all over the world, although in many cases to a far greater degree. Sweden's seen a big jump in deaths this year, as has England and Wales, and one of the first badly affected nations in the pandemic, Spain. Australia's 1,700 excess deaths equate to roughly a 3% jump on the first 5 months of the year. In that same period, Sweden deaths are up 8%, 22% in England and Wales, and Spain nearly a quarter. Of course, this pandemic is far from over and these numbers are still growing. On average, the world's recording more than 1 million cases every 4 days or so, and upwards of 6,000 people are still dying every day. At least these are the ones we know about.